Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. If you're looking for a simple watch for casual at-home use, cafe time, reading or walking, then this might be the one for you. At a glance, it looks like a grown-up version of the F-91W, lightweight and minimal, but a bit larger and more spacious. It adds useful features like a modern LED backlight, snooze alarm, and dual time. And it uses CR2025, which gives it an impressive 10-year power rating. With those features inside such a simple-looking package, this is definitely not a flashy watch, more like a nerdy one. For the dimension, it is 44.1mm lug to lug, 40mm wide, and 11.5mm thick. It weighs only 28 grams, and yes, it is slightly bigger than the F-91W, but still small compared to most modern Casios. It has basic water resistance, so it is splash-proof, and it is thin and really light. You might forget if you're wearing one on the wrist. For the material, the case and bezel is resin, and then it is also using resin glass, slightly domed or spherical, so you have to be careful with scratches. But since it's inexpensive, then replacing the whole watch is easier than worrying too much. The band is using PUR resin strap, and overall it is lightweight, not premium, but expected for this price range. It has rounded case shape, and there is no raised bezel to protect the screen. It has 4 resin buttons on the sides with the usual Casio layout, and it has stainless steel backplate secured with 4 screws. And yes, it has simple, functional text markings around the display. For the strap details, it uses standard resin strap with resin buckle, and then yes, it is soft and flexible, so comfortable for daily use. Basic and nothing fancy, but it does the job. The lug width is 80mm, so it's easy to find replacements, and it is likely that the strap will wear out before the 10-year battery does. Now about the display details. It has an improved classic Casio layout with the main time with lug digits on the bottom, and then the day at the top, and then the month and date just below that. It also has this indicator wheel on the right side for snooze, alarm, and signal, and yes, it has clear separation of functions. The display contrast is decent and easy to read, and it uses green LED backlight with afterglow, which is a lot better than the old micro light of the F-91W. Now about the modes and functions. First is the timekeeping mode, where you can also set the time format, so this one is 24-hour format or the 12-hour format, okay? And then the next one is the alarm, which you can set not only the time, but also the date and month, meaning that it's a multifunction alarm, and it also has the signal. And not only that, you can also set the alarm as a snooze alarm. Okay, and then the next one is the stopwatch with 100th of a second precision, and also split time, like this, and it has 24 hours of measuring capacity. And then the last one is dual time. This one is handy for travelers or keeping track of another time zone. This watch missing only one feature that would make it perfect, a countdown timer. The strap and buckle design is easy to put on, also the keeper right here. You can easily slip in the remaining of the strap here. And yes, it's extremely light at 28 grams. You might forget that it's there. And it's slim enough to slip under a sleeve. And it's very light. You will not feel any wrist fatigue, even for long wear. It's ideal for relaxing and non-intrusive watch. I would say that this watch is recommended for the fans of F-91W who want a slightly larger, more feature-packed version. Also people who want a reliable chill time watch for around the house, walking or casual wear. And it's not really formal wear or fashion statement. Frankly, it's not modern, it's not retro, not tough, and not formal. So basically, it is a light, functional, and practical watch. Now about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it is very light and comfortable. It is also easy to read, and it has 10-year battery with CR2025, and it has more functions than the F-91W with a dual time, snooze alarm, and brighter LED backlight. Also, this one is very affordable. On the other side, there are also things you might want to consider. Number 1, it looks cheap. It uses basic resin case, and then yes, very cool, but basic resin glass, and also basic strap. And it only has basic water resistance, so splash proof, not for swimming. And it looks plain, not stylish for many people. And it might feel too small for people who use too larger watches. In conclusion, the Casio F-200 is best described as the nerdy big brother of the F-91W, keeping the same spirit but with upgrades that make it more practical. It will not win any style awards, but for those who want a light, worry-free, wear-anywhere digital with a decade of battery life, this one is an excellent choice. Not everyone's cup of tea, but for its role, it is spot on. That's all for this review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will also make the tutorial to set and operate this watch. Have a great day.